present. Back up.
Look at
It's so hard always to try to.
He wants everything to be a party every time there's a birthday. So it's really hard for him.
Yeah.
You like your face?
Oh, likes everything?
You want me to get it open?
Connor, get out of the way.
I can have Dusty.
Those are for your hair. They're not toys. They just look.
They're for bath time.
Bath time.
They're scrubbers for your hair and your body.
Ooh, what?
Alright,
really
these
cool.
are Josiah's presents.
He's like, pull the airplane off of that.
No. Let's open this one.
You go scrub, 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 scrub.
Happy
Oh,
birthday
nice.
to you.
You want to open the other presents?
What
too,
on
Josiah?
earth is this frog thing underneath?
No.
Why is it on my toy?
Birthday to you.
My perfectly good toy.
Scrub, scrub.
Good job, Ella. Good job.
What is in here?
Hey, you got a bottle of Stay-Bill too.
Awesome.